Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Millie, it's a girl Mumbai. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe, and if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. And if you've not even followed my business page Lilac Fashions on Instagram, kindly do that, and place your orders, guys. So today I got a lot of things to do. Anyway, si mingi hivyo vile nazisema. I have to go to school, yeah, but later in the evening. But first of all, I'm going to do a window shopping for my fridge. Yeah, did you hear that? Going to do window for my fridge. Yeah, so my son decided to do that thing, and why not? Mbona nisiende kuanza kutafuta, window shop, because my fridge yenye nilikuwa natumia imeharibika, and things a lot of things to do. That's the same as kubai tu ingine. So my sister decided to surprise me. I can't wait to get it here. To window shop it na kupata yenye nataka, like yenye napenda. You're gonna penda. Anyway, msipewe pressure. Ni kubaiwa na baiwa. Mimi sina do. Yeah, but do itakuja. I trust that. Let's do this. I'm gonna take through you all the whole process. Nitaenda na nyinyi, of course, will help me choose. Then let's do this, guys. As you can see, guys, I was already here, and that's me saying the prices, guys. Hey, hata kama ni January bana. Hey, no, let me show you the prices. So I had to sample these things well, because electronics, mnajua tu vitu hapa and stima ikienda and all that. And I realized some of the fridges were sold, but I continued checking. Like I was checking up and down, checking what the requirements that I need. And that's me saying that's not my budget. Like, no. I love this black. Honestly, I love this black. Say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it won't just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. At this point, I had not gotten what I wanted, so I opted for going to another supermarket. And let me tell you, recording in public is not easy. It's not easy, guys. Any people were looking at me like, mtema we cheesy ama ni nini, cause yo. But we have to do this. We got this.
I was checking these prices. Now my budget was 30 to 35,000. This been delulu. Mbona unaangalia vitu ziko high na unajua tu ndio yenye uko nayo? Huh? Why? I was kind of getting the same things as I got in Magonas. But electronics are not cheap. They are not cheap, guys. Acheni tuniwaambie. Guys, like I'm out. I've seen bats. Whoa, budget iko juu. My budget is around like 30 to 35,000. Yeah, but that's not one. I'll still have to go to Naivas in town, or any other supermarket or Carrefour. Yeah, in Capital Mall. See you there. I didn't know whether I'll get enough time to do this, but I had to go to Jumia too. Nione kama kuna more options. And this is what I was seeing on Jumia. Because munajua tu, Jumia had a Black Friday, and that was November, na tuko January. So these things obviously haziko like zimeishaisha, but we ain't giving up. So let me see what I'm going to get, and I'm going to show you on my next video maybe. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.